Hello, my name is Setiawati Bonganayun Tabako. I'm from class 11 Social 2 SMA Negeri 1 Pegagan Hilir. Okay, this time I will review the story about the Falcon and the Barns. I will start now. The Falcon and the Barns. When a king received two magnificent falcons as a gift, they were a most beautiful bird he has ever seen. The falcons were still quite young at the time. They were ground for giving in his crown specially. The king caught the head falcon and handed the two beautiful birds to be farmed. The falcon trained the bird for months. One day, the falconer, the falcon informed the king that one of the falcons was flying and sailing high in the sky, while the other has not moved from its branch since it had arrived. I've never come across a bird as stubborn as this before, the trainer complained to the king. He went on to describe how the creature ignored, refused, and sharply cashed out at his every opportunity. Maybe there is something wrong with this bird. It just won't fly, said the trainer. The falcon was one of the best in the land. His talents, witty, loudly, sky all the knew him. So the king decided to give the trainer some more time to make the bird fly. Months passed, but the falcon never moved from the branch. The king summoned all healers, suckers, and others from all the land to make the falcon fly. But one of them succeeded, and the bird did not move from its perch. One day, a farmer was passing by the palace and heard about the stubborn falcon who would fly. He thought he would give a tea make the bird fly. The scared king allowed the farmer attempt to make the bird fly. The next morning, while the king was traveling to see the two magnificent birds soaring like in the sky from his balcony, the king did not witness the feat himself, so he had the farmer brought before him to store the secret behind his success. The farmer peered up from beneath his brow. It was actually quite simple, Your Highness. I just cut the branch on which the bird was perched. We all are meant to fly, but at times we sit on to our branches, clinging to the things familiar to us and never accepting for a change. The possibilities in the world are endless, but most of the reason remains in this coverage because we